Zenith Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. First time setup, registering your administrator. Enter setup mode. Double click on hash to enter setup mode. Step 1. Enter default password. Default password 123456. Then press hash to confirm. Step 2. Adding an admin. Now you hear the system announce your options. Select 1 to add admin. Step 3. Register your fingerprint. Register your fingerprint at the place shown in the picture. Step 4. Create your administrator password. Create your 6 to 8 digit administrator password and press hash to confirm. Step 5. Register IC card. Register your IC card or press asterisk to skip. Step 6. Face recognition. Stand about 50 to 80 cm away. Keep your face steady and let the 3D camera do its work. Step 7. Palm vein recognition. This is the coolest part. Hold your palm up naturally, not stiff. Not spread out, weird. Just natural. About 15 to 25 centimeters from the module. Step 8. Registration complete. Administrator registration is completed. Perfect. Now you're the master administrator with ID number 01. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you're registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add users, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. How to add a user? After accessing the main menu again, select option 1, Add User. Once the system asks, please enter the ID number from 01 to 99 and press hash to confirm. Repeat the same process as registering the admin to register a user. Deleting user. How to delete a user? After accessing the main menu again, select option 2 for delete user. Please enter the ID number to be deleted. Press hash to confirm. The system immediately processes it. ID deletion successful. Device network connection. Now let's get this lock connected to your phone, because this is where things get really powerful. Remote unlocking, activity logs, push notification, the whole smart home experience. Step 1. Getting into the app. Download the Zeone app and log into the app. Add the lock. Enter the details asked on the screen and submit. Choose the lock from the given list. Choose the connection method and continue. Once submitted, the app will start searching for the lock pairing. Step 2. Prepare the lock. From the main menu, select option 3, Device Network Connection. The system has two connection methods, hotspot connection, intelligent connection. Press 2 for intelligent connection. The lock will start the pairing. Congratulations, you're connected.